Alright everyone, so today I'm going to walk you through how to create a template in C++. Templates are special functions that allow us to operate with multiple different types, multiple different data types. So over here I have a file, over here in Sublime Text I have a file called template.cpp. It's got some basic C++ code in it, and what I want to build is a program that will take two integers x and y, add them together, and then take two strings, string 1 and string 2, and add them together. And I want the single function to work for both of those different data types. So in order to declare this template, I start by typing template class type, and I'm going to call this function combine. It'll take in two parameters, type x and type y, and then within this function I will just have the template return x plus y. So that's my template. In my main function, it's going to be pretty straightforward. I'll declare my variables. And then in our cout statements, we're going to want to call the template function. We can just copy this over, make sure our variable names match. Now we will compile the code. And when we run template, we receive the integer 7 and then the string combination hello world. So our template is taking these two different data types and returning valid output. So you can see how this feature in C++ just really adds to the adaptability of your code. Your ability to repeat entire code for differing data types without having to write multiple functions, overloading functions. So if you wanted to add a double data type, and see if this works. And look at that. For 4.20 plus 4.80, we get back a 9. So it looks like our template is working, and that's all I got for you today. Thank you.